Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Second Brain AI on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in usesecondbrain.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Second Brain website. Just scroll down and click on Use Second Brain now, and then you will be taken into the Chrome Web Store page, from which you can install it into your Chrome browser. Go ahead and click on Add to Chrome, and you can click on Add Extension to proceed with installing the Second Brain AI application on your web browser. Once the installation is added, you can click on the Extensions toolbar and you will be able to find the Second Brain AI. You can click on the Pin button to pin it into your Extensions tab, and now you can click on it to start using your Second Brain AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.